Gose in the series 3 for 8. Here's the 2-1 pitch. Lifted high in the air down the right field line. That ball is hit well, and that ball is going to go. It is out of here. A home run for Anthony Gose.
Well, we told you he had good numbers against Volquez. Obviously, he sees the ball very well against Edinson. He hit that ball way out of here over their bullpen.
It did clear the bullpen. A career-high 5th for Anthony Gose.
Yeah, it's a 93 two-seam fastball that tails right into the happy zone of Anthony Gose. And as soon as he connected with the baseball, he knew it was gone. Gomes playing right field this evening, took 2 steps toward the warning track in right and just kind of pulled up.
Gose also gets his 24th RBI of the year. The Tigers score first here tonight.